In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a journal using Canva templates for Amazon KDP. If you're looking to publish a journal on Amazon's Kindle Direct publishing platform but aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore just how simple this process can be. First, we'll navigate to Canva, a versatile design tool that provides a vast array of templates. Once you're there, start by typing in journal into the search bar. This will pull up a multitude of ready-to-use designs that you can customize to fit your specific vision. The beauty of Canva lies in its simplicity, allowing beginners and experienced designers alike to create stunning visuals without the steep learning curve. Now feel free to browse through the vast selection of journal templates available. This step is all about finding a template that resonates with your style and the audience you're trying to reach. Whether it's a lined journal, a bullet format, or something more artistic, the choice is yours. Remember, the template you choose will be the foundation of your journal, so take your time and select one that aligns with your creative goals. Once you've settled on a template that you like, go ahead and click Customize this template. This is where the magic happens. Canva's intuitive interface makes it straightforward to adjust the template's elements, including images, colors, and layout. Consider what makes your vision unique, and begin to tailor these elements to your specifications. Don't hesitate to experiment as you go, play with different fonts, add images, or change the color palette until it perfectly matches what you've imagined. Next, if your chosen template includes text, consider personalizing it. You might want to change the language, alter the font size, or even add motivational quotes or prompts. Customizing the text can help differentiate your product and make it more appealing to your target market. This step is crucial if you're targeting specific niches or audiences who might be looking for something a little more special or practical. Finally, with your updated and beautifully customized journal design, you are ready to download your project. Canva allows you to download your journal in various formats, but to upload it onto Amazon KDP, you'll most likely want to download it as a PDF. Make sure to double check everything to verify that it's all set for publication. There you have it, a journal crafted entirely using Canva templates, ready to be launched on Amazon KDP. With this creative process, you can ensure your work is not only professional but also uniquely yours. We hope this guide has empowered you to bring your journal to life. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your publishing journey.